Intellectual property collaborations have become a cornerstone of modern innovation, with sales based on pooled patents valued at over $100 billion. In today's complex technological landscape, companies are finding that sharing intellectual assets can be more valuable than hoarding them. Intellectual property rights have exploded over the past 20 years, creating what experts call patent thickets, overlapping rights that make innovation difficult and expensive. These thickets have pushed companies toward collaboration rather than competition, particularly in information technology, communications, and biomedical research. The benefits of IP collaborations are substantial and multifaceted. By partnering with other organizations, companies can share the substantial costs of research and development projects. This is especially valuable in industries like telecommunications, where single projects often exceed what individual companies can afford to finance alone. Risk sharing represents another major advantage. When multiple entities invest in innovation together, the financial impact of potential failure is distributed, allowing for more ambitious research initiatives. Partners also gain access to specialized facilities, equipment, and industry experience that would be prohibitively expensive to develop independently. Consider how technology giants like Microsoft, Intel, and Dell frequently collaborate to develop improved computer systems. Independent developers work with Apple to create mobile applications. These partnerships promote interoperability and coordinated investment schedules, spurring new product releases at unprecedented speeds. Beyond cost and risk reduction, IP collaborations offer strategic business advantages. Companies can achieve faster time to market by combining their unique strengths. A partnership often provides access to new geographic regions or market sectors where a collaborator already has established presence. These collaborations strengthen competitive positioning by fostering innovation that helps companies stay ahead in rapidly evolving industries. They create opportunities for co-branding that boost credibility and consumer trust. Perhaps most importantly, pooling research infrastructure and talent leads to more robust innovation pipelines. Despite these benefits, IP collaborations come with inherent risks. Without clear agreements, ownership disputes can lead to costly legal battles. Misaligned goals between partners can derail progress, while confidentiality breaches may expose sensitive trade secrets. Unbalanced contributions can create friction if not properly acknowledged. To mitigate these risks, partners should establish comprehensive governance frameworks. These should clearly outline IP ownership terms, licensing provisions, revenue sharing models, and dispute resolution mechanisms. Working with legal counsel experienced in collaborative IP arrangements is essential. Collaborations take many forms depending on the number of parties involved, time frame, and project scope. They might include designing houses, university partnerships, supplier relationships, or content provider agreements. The nature of collaboration varies widely. An external collaborator might focus on a narrow aspect, while others take broader leadership roles. Modern IP collaborations are evolving in response to global trends. More organizations are using open innovation platforms and crowdsourcing to solve technical challenges. Cross-industry partnerships are becoming common, such as technology companies working with healthcare providers to develop wearable diagnostics. Sustainable innovation represents another growing area, with green technology and circular economy initiatives relying heavily on collaborative IP. Smaller businesses increasingly participate in these arrangements to access resources and markets otherwise beyond their reach. For successful management of shared intellectual property, organizations should follow several best practices. Define background IP brought into the collaboration and foreground IP developed together. Maintain thorough documentation of all contributions and developments. Plan for commercialization before development begins. Regularly monitor IP usage and establish clear exit terms. Intellectual property collaborations have transformed from occasional arrangements to strategic imperatives. When structured properly with clear agreements and governance frameworks, they enable companies to innovate faster, reduce costs, share risks, and access new markets. In today's interconnected business environment, the question is no longer whether to collaborate, but how to collaborate most effectively.